I get 4 hours of sleep maybe because of that noise is constant. Like during the day, you know, when I'm outside or working, it doesn't bother me because I'm doing something else. But at night, it's horrible.
I heard excuses like, no, it's the falls that's making the noise. Or those people used to live next door to, or in that area there were other factories there. The long and the short of it is, the noise pollution of this industry is like nothing else that's been there. And so right now, you know, we are working with our attorneys as well as with our residents to make sure that we have our documents in place so that if they continue to refuse to comply with our order to stop, then we'll have to be in court.